First of all, use a afro comb, comb all the curls out properly. Then clipper over comb and you get all the longs hair off. Be careful not to go too low. Next, get a number 2 to take down the sides. We do all this before we make the line. Use the number 2 and shave upwards around the back. Make sure you comb it. Go upwards at the back, don't go too high. Lower the hair with the number 2. Keep doing this, different directions, because this is a multicultural hair, very curly. Make sure you go different directions so you can get all of the hair even. The line has been made already, and after you've done the line, the medium to low line, now again with the number 2 you can go higher now because you've set the guideline of the fade line. And yeah, pull the hair out where it's too long, and this is good practice when you have someone with such long hair. You've got more room for error, and it's a good challenge for you newcomers. Okay, next it's time for you to freestyle and learn how to do it yourself with either a half guard or number 1. Number 1 at the moment, we are going upwards. Don't go too high with the number 1, just fading out all the dark areas. So this is a chance for you to use your half guard and number 1. Next, after I've faded it all, I'm cleaning the edges step by step. This is freestyle entertainment for you, and for beginners it's best for you to use a photo or a picture of a design. I'm freestyling. I don't know what I'm going to do right now, but I know it'll be something nice. I make it as I go along, and I just did these lines. I thought, okay, what am I going to do next? So I decided to just continue until it starts to come together, and then you'll see the next stages. Always make sure you know how sharp your machine is. To test it, you test it on the back of your hand. If it's too sharp, it might hurt or might cut the customer. Do not press too hard if your machine is set very sharp. Next, here you can start to see the design come together with the various lines, and now this is more clipper work. I've just combed it out with an afro comb, and now I'm just shaping it. Now I'm using the razor blade. This is for professionals only with experience. You use water, you don't do it dry, water or gel, by the way, and you take your time and be aware, don't rush this part. This is just to bring the lines out a little bit, and now it's coming together. Now you can see the sharpness. Wonderful, completed, design finish, complete. Hope you enjoyed the video. Wow, look at the hair from the beginning. What a lot of work. Full clipper haircut. No scissors, just clippers. See you all soon, and good luck on your journey to becoming a professional barber.